Scalping like a pro is a dream of every trader, and with this strategy you will become a pro scalper in no time. In this video you will learn actionable and back-tested strategy. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. To use this scalping strategy, you need exactly two indicators. One is signals and overlays, and other one is price action concepts from the LuxAlgo. If you edit those indicators to your chart, what I want you to do is now set your time frame to 1 minute, because we are going to scalp today like we mentioned, and we will be trading Nasdaq, S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. Let's go with the settings now, because the settings are the most important thing here. Let's go over to the price action concept settings now. We will disable most of the things and we will keep what we need. Disable the show last 5 order blocks and enable the show breakers. Length is 5. Copy everything now. The trend lines, the patterns are disabled. The equal highs is enabled. Liquidity graph doesn't matter so much. The fair value gap is the most important thing here. The premium and discount zone, we need to keep it. The daily, Monday, weekly, monthly, highs and lows, we need it. That's all we need. If you done that, hit the OK button. Now go to settings for the signals and overlays. What you're gonna do is you will enable the AI signal classifier, and for the 1 minute time frame we will use signal sensitivity at the 15, right? And here it is, the indicator overlays, what I call the confirmation indicators, smart trail and the trend catcher. These two guys will crash the charts today. The AI classifier is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can copy everything you see here. If you done that, hit the OK button. What you are seeing now in the screen is Nasdaq 100 futures. We are trading futures today. Let's start. We got a 3 classified buy signal here. We got the smart trail returns to blue. Let's see what it does. What is it? What's going on here on the chart? Let's understand first. Let's not rush, right? Let's be patient. If you see smart trail is blue, it means bullish. If you see trend catcher is green, it means bullish. If you see red, it's bearish. Easy. You see a change of character. If it is green, it's bullish. And our most important thing here is this fair value gaps. If you see it is green, it means it's a bullish. Easy like that. That's basically all you need to know for now. Let's dive in. We got a 3 classified buy signal. By the way, this is the market opening time, just like at 30 minutes after in the Nasdaq. This has happened just today. If you see here, we got a buy signal with a bullish fair value gap, and we are on the 1 minute time frame as a reminder. So what we're gonna do is we will check the conditions here. The conditions are very important. Let's go one by one. So the first thing is a change of character in the house, right? And the second thing is we got a bullish fair value gap, and the trend catcher is green, the smart trail is blue. There is a momentum in the price. It's waiting for us to take a long position. You can think that it is very close to high. Look at this. This was the high. Now we are trading here. We can maybe bounce here. Don't think like that. Trading is all about the probability. So we have here a 1 trade. Maybe we can lose this. Maybe we can lose the next trade. Maybe we can lose the 3rd or 4th trade. We can have a 4 lose in a row. But after that, we can start winning. This is something like you need to see it in the bigger picture. You need to calculate your win rate. If it is like a 55% win rate with the risk to reward ratio 1 to 3, that's what you need for. You will be in profit in the end of the day. There are traders that losing 95% of their trades, but the 5% winning is enough for them. So think like that. And trust in yourself, trust in your edge, and trust in your system. That's what we're gonna do today. And we take a long position here with the bar close, right? What you're gonna do is you will put your stop loss now. So our stop loss will be the recent support line in this strategy. But there are 2 types of support here. You can just go below this fair value gap here. This will be a little aggressive, but the safer method is our recent support line, which will be here. You will be safe here. So you started to ride your trade. You see one more big fair value gap here, and look at the price is respecting that, and suddenly we got a sell signal I mean like you close your position, take your partial, whatever it is, your position from the LuxAlgo. So you can take a partial here and you can ride rest of your position until you see this trend catcher returns to red. Or you can follow the smart trail, whatever you want. Which one will come first, you can take it. This 1 minute scalping strategy is crazy accurate, highly profitable. All you need to do is make your edge, put your system on your chart and trade with it. Trust in it. Let's take a look at now one more example. So we are trading S&P 500 on 1 minute and we are waiting for opportunity here. And voila, we got a 3 classified buy signal here, right? And we have the fair value gap. It is very similar scenario to the Nasdaq. And this is also in 1 minute. All the settings are same. And let's dive in now. The smart trail is blue and we got a break of structure. The break of structure always come after the change of character. So make a note of this. What you're gonna do is you can take a long position here with the bar close, which will be here, right? And you will write your trade. Let's put our position here. Right, so let me bring it here, the long position, and the stop loss will be the recent support line, and we started to write the trade. Let's see, and the market is ticking, we are going up, still holding, and we got a X icon from the LuxAlgo, which means take your partial here. Let's see, we got a 1 to 61 ratio here, 1.61, right? And you will take your first partial and you will put your stop loss to the break even. This is a must rule. So our stop loss here. So even the price comes back here, we are in a profit. Don't forget this thing. We are scalping, so we are a fast trader. We go in, we go out. We don't want to lose money. We need to pay ourselves, pay the trader. Let's continue here. Price is ticking. We got a fair value gap. It's absorbed from the 50%. It's going up and it's going crazy now. Still no signs of a rejection here. And voila, we got a sell signal. That's it. That's where you will stop. You will close all of your position here. If you calculate in the end of the day, you will have like 1.9 risk to reward ratio. It's a very nice trade. Trust me. What I wanted to show you is this scalping strategy really works, and especially in the market hours. If you are a beginner, please start using from 9:20 to up until 11:10. This is a very important time frame that you should follow if you just starting out. I want to show you a false signals here also so you can understand way better. We got a 4 classified buy signal here and you see the candle is green, the catcher is green, the smart trail is red, right? You see it. It returns to blue after a 1 bar, but the problem here is we don't have a fair value gap. That's all we need. That's our strongest signal that we can get. So we're passing out this signal. Now this is the last example. We are trading Dow Jones on 1 minute here and we are waiting for the signal here. And the market is ticking. Time is around 10 and that's our trading time. Let's see if we get, yes, we get a 3 classified buy signal. And what we will look for is a smart trail is blue, the trend catcher is blue, the change of character we got. And what we see here is the fair value gap. That's the great signal. So all you need to do is take a long position here, and as always put your stop loss to the recent support line, or if you want to go aggressive here you can just put under the fair value gap. So let's see what will happen if we get stopped out or we make the money. Let's see. And we got rejection from the fair value gap here on the 50%. Absorbed the next fair value gap on the bullish. The market is struggling to go up here. Let's see. We're touching the Monday high. It's a resistance level and boom. We got a X icon, but it's go away. Why? Because the bar didn't close yet. You need to know this. If the bar didn't close, you will not take any signal. You need to wait. And I think we will get it in this candle. Yes. So you will take your partial with this candle. By the way, I would like to remind you that This is alive. This is from the today. That's why I wanted to show you this strategy. I personally use this strategy, so I would like to share with you this pro scalper strategies. It's not so hard. All you need is discipline. So you take a partial here and you're riding the rest of the position now. Stop loss in the break even, and we don't care what will happen from now on. And let's see. Its market is ticking. All we need is some red to close out our position. Liquidity grab, the bearish fair value gap, and sell signal. We out of the position here. That's it. And that's a very profitable trade. Congratulations. What I want from you is attach these settings on your chart. Put it on the chart. See it yourself. And you can make like the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P on the one chart. And you watch the all markets together. And if there is any opportunity on 1 minute, you take it. You take the money and you walk away. And very important thing here is between 9:20 to 11:10, please take maximum 2 trades. That's it. The 2 trades will be enough for you. Don't overtrade in that time zone, because market make a fake out for you. You can get greedy. Set this rule to yourself: no more than 2 trades unless you get comfortable with it. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have linked down below the discount for the LuxAlgo indicator, so don't miss that. And before you leave, hit that subscribe button, and until the next time, see you soon.